Pome has be the planet's at first social business to be cost $1 billion, pound 767 BN. The iPhone manufacturer's marketplace importance achieved the drawing in New York on Thursday and its shares close at a new recording top of $. The stockpile has been growing with Tuesday while it informed superior rather than anticipated results for the 3 months to June. Pome hit Silicon Valley rivals such as Amazon and Microsoft to be the at first to hit the $1 billion assessment. With the iPhone at first went on selling in 2007, Pome shares include soared by 1,100% and include jumped nearly a tertiary in the history year. The growth is though more than remarkable, 50,000%, with the business at first list in 1980. How dwarfs the 2,000% growth for the S&P 500 code above the identical time. Pome traces its origins to the parking garage of company founder Steve Jobs in 1976 and was initially top named for its Mac private computers. Its smartphone laid the way for the app economics. Mr. Jobs, who died in 2011 and was succeeded as head execution by Tim Prepare, oversaw the growth of the iPhone, that converted Pome's fortunes. In 2006 the business had turnover of less than rather than $20 BN and located profits of nearly $2 BN. Recent year its turnover hit $229 BN, in profits of $, manufacturing it the largest advantageous list U.S. business. PetroChina was brief cost on $1.1 billion following float in Shanghai in 2007, though largest of its shares were detained by the government. It is now cost on $220 BN. In spite its $1 billion cost label, lot analysts yet do not type Pome's shares as costly, taking into account how they trading at on 15 times anticipated profits, compared in a drawing of 82 for Amazon and 25 times for Microsoft. As well increase Pome shares in latter months was the business's judgment to set towards $100 BN to buy behind stockpile. By Dave Shelter, Polar America Technique interviewer. It may include been the sight of Steve Jobs how hurdled Pome to the landmark, but it was the industry discernment of Tim Prepare how tilted them above time. Some technology stocks include struggled, Pome has soared front. The splash in its shares has been managed by two key factors. It is marketing less iPhones, but by producing a more than costly release recent year, it is manufacturing more than cash per unit. Pome has as well diverse the source of its profits. It now makes on $10 BN each 3 months of services such as marketing apps, Puff Store and piece of music flowing. The company said investors the 1 week how it anticipated a really powerful end to the year, helping, natural, by the produce of yet else new iPhone. Stockpile markets are flying, and a little but increasing risk of China's smartphone makers might eat in Pome's margins in the upcoming year. But no question which yours type of the business and its means. Pome devices include modified the planet, and present done finance story as so.